Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why your Google AdSense account is disabled, and so let's jump into it. But before we do, I just want to say thank you to everyone. I recently hit like 1K subs, so that means, I don't know, a lot of things, a lot of emotions. Definitely super excited. I can't believe I hit 1K. I was anticipating hitting it like this summer, and it's like April 1st, so it happened on April Fool's Day, so that's kind of like, so is it really a thing? But yeah, so it happened. It's pretty crazy. So, oh man, yeah, what a day. So a lot of things happened, and I definitely want to talk about it. But before we start, please leave a like, comment down below if you're you know, what's going on with your AdSense. Maybe I can help you out. If your AdSense is disabled, I have a video right here that you can watch, and that's a step-to-step guide on filling out the appeal form guide. It's a little complicated, so it'll definitely help break out like how to answer each question. So let's jump into today's video topic. So why is your Google AdSense account disabled? So I actually went to Reddit about it because, hold on, let me pull it up. I reached out to Reddit reached out via Reddit, and I pretty much just asked like, hey, what's up? Because I was curious if there was anyone else in the community that were affecting these problems, because I got all these comments via on YouTube about like, dude, my Google AdSense. So like, I mean, you know, there's all these people like jumping onto my video. So this video is the one that like blew up overnight. It has 1.3K views, so let's go. Shout out to you guys, thank you. Over 50 likes, nice. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of people are like affected by this, so it's really a shame. So I definitely want to help you guys out, and I've been trying to respond to like almost every single comment, so trying my best, you know, getting back to everyone, because it happened so quick. So I reached out, did everyone's AdSense get disabled? Because I was just reaching out via Reddit saying like one of my videos blew up, and a lot of people have been asking about it. And so then but this one person I mentioned like YouTube has been cracking down on channels that have been getting a lot of unmanaged spam / bot comments for invalid click activity. YouTube can't differentiate between whether or not you initiated those users and if you're being proactive about it. YouTube could terminate / suspend these suspend the AdSense account and possibly even your YouTube channel. So I have been getting a lot of spam comments. I'll kind of show you like an example of a spam comment if you're unsure. So usually happens from one of my hacked videos. Yeah, right here. So if you get stuff like this where it's telling you to go to like Instagram, you gotta just report the spam. So make sure you're trying to like actively report these spam comments. God, there's so many. So let me like get rid of these really quick. Alright, so yeah, you just got to be active on like getting rid of those spam comments, because ultimately those comments can like affect your channel and your AdSense, because that goes against their terms of service, and they're not able to determine whether or not like you are like bringing these types of bots to your channel. So, and then another person mentioned about like some updates with YouTube and Google. So let me click here. So right here, I guess in April there were some updates to guidelines. So let's click this one. This is for, it's actually strange because there's an update in April, which is for advertiser friendly content guidelines, gaming, and monetization. So it actually sounds like they're making it more relaxed, but for some reason it doesn't really, I can't find anything that shows like they're cracking down and disabling accounts, because anything that I look up, I'm not seeing any of that. So I don't know, it's really strange to me. Alright, so I think you kind of get the picture. So the main reason why your AdSense got disabled is, I don't know, maybe someone click bombed your video, maybe your content is not meeting their policies or guidelines, so you could take a look at their guidelines and policies. Maybe your content is very intense, there's violence, maybe there's some sort of sexual content that you could be breaking. So I don't know, there's a lot of things that could be happening that is creating this. So that is kind of like my 2 cents on this like kind of topic / issue. And as I mentioned, if you're trying to get your account back, I made some videos on my channel like going over how to get it back. So other than that, just want to say thank you for watching if you made it to the end of this video. And other than that, comment down below what's up and I'll see you there. And other than that, subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time.